Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. This is Sunny from GOURMETBMX with the below zero birthday bike check. That's right, folks. It is -1 degree here in the beautiful land of Milwaukee, Wisconsin. Yes. Ice, snow, salt. And it's my birthday. This sucks. But anyway, hey, we got goodies. Yup. Got them oil slick fits. Stolen Sumo. The Young Shadow interlock. Still rocking them 10-year-old black label plasty pegs. Look at them. They're like, how? I mean, I'm a savage. I know that. I'm just saying, how? Look at that. Look at all that. Look at all that's worn down from all the shadow slides I've done. But look at these, so crispy. Just got these junts. Well, that's the below zero bike check, boys and girls. Still haven't done a whole much, but you know, them Dino Slammer bars from '97 keep your boy on point. I'm gonna keep it hot. Every time I try to pop a 360, 9 times out of 10 it's clean. Like, it's just super dialed. It's had its ups and downs, but after I got rid of the stock stuff, it's a great bike. I highly recommend the Elite Destro if you customize it. Otherwise, it's mid-level. And you're doing stuff like I do, you're gonna break your bike. It's almost as bad as buying a Walmart bike. No offense to people that ride Walmart bikes, but they're junk. Anyway, I'm freezing my nubs off out here. Dairyland in the background. Signing off.